Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Rosabella supplements. You should purchase any supplement of this brand or not. They are a legit brand, and what are the major red flags of this brand. So in this video we will cover lots of information, so keep watching this video. First of all, if we talk about this brand, basically Rosabella is a very popular brand, and you can see they are listed on Trustpilot and they have good ratings on Trustpilot, but they also have some negative reviews also, and we will also discuss about why they have negative reviews. First thing, you can see they are listed on amazon.com, and ratings you can see, and they have also a store on amazon.com, and you can see their all product is listed on amazon.com. so it means the brand is 100% legit, there is no problem. Now come to the main point. What are the things you need to keep in your mind when you purchase any product on this platform, on this platform's website, on this brand website? So that you can see they have 24% negative reviews, all are complaining related to cancellation of subscription. So basically they have a subscription model also. When you make a purchase of any product on their official website, by mistake, if you have taken purchase subscription, if you have taken subscription, then if you don't want product, you have to cancel your subscription. Otherwise they will provide you auto refills, okay, and they will send you deliveries every month, and they will charge on your account. So when you purchase product on their website, make sure you are not taking any subscription, and if you don't want to take any subscription, you can go on amazon.com and you can make a purchase, okay. So this is the thing. Now if we talk about you should buy their product or not, yes, definitely you can make a purchase. Rosabella is a good brand, okay. So now if you have any other issues, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And if you want to know how to cancel your subscription of Rosabella supplement, you can check out the video link is in our video description box, okay. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.